Hello, okey, ni adalah video seperti yang di request Shopee, okey, untuk item rosak. Tulis sini 3 tahun warranty, WD Elements 2TB. So what come in the box is actually this, the hard disk itself, cool looking disk, and some paperworks. Okay, so problem is this thing cannot be open or format after 2 days of usage, and that 2 days only I'm trying to transfer some data in it, which is a movie files and audio videos like that. And what happened, it always fail to copy my stuff. Okay, as you can see now, I'm trying to use it properly. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, it's blinking. Boleh detect. Okay, so now kita tekan dekat sikit. Oops. So this is email from Shopee lah. Okay, sekarang kita tengok Kita try buka. Okay, tengok tak detect. Okay, tak apa, kita try other ports, because yang tadi port USB 2.0, sekarang 3.0 sebab 3, sebab memang dia state yang ini USB 3 punya. So tak apa, kita try. Tengok tak detect. Okay, never mind. So biasalah, so kalau kita tak boleh akses kat sini, kita akan cuba akses di device manager ke. So what happen, kita boleh tengok sini ada tak. Sorry. Okay, this drive. Okay, nampak lah kabur. Okay, boleh detect. Ada sini di zoom dekat ni. Tak boleh dekat. Okay, nampak detect. Okay, so tak apa, kita boleh tengok dekat disk management. Okay, disk management. So tahu disk management. So suppose kalau tak boleh, paling kurang di sini kita boleh format lah. Usually kita format to make sure nothing got in it, for example virus. malware, maliciousware. Sebabkan hard disk tu dia jadi perlahan untuk detect. And pada disk tu sendiri blinking 3 kali. Okay, so dah keluar. So dah tahu hard disk ada. Yes, there she is. Okay, raw partition. Okay, raw partition mean no file system in it. So usually we have to, if we want to use, we have to format. So now formatting it. Okay, everything default. Click format. Okay, do you want to format? Of course, I want to use it. Of course, I want to use it. Because I have to format. Okay, sorry. So now, trying to open the format dialog box. Linking. 1 2 3 1 2 3 like that, then sync. Look, okay, so this happened. Format did not complete successfully. So cannot open, cannot do everything, cannot format whatever. So big. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.